Axie boundlessness cost figures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here will generally give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for Axie boundlessness. Is Axie certainly worth purchasing in 2023? What will sort of be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking? How in every way that really matters. High might Axie limitlessness at any point go, which is very huge. Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Axie endlessness expected development and its cost expectation, all from profound specialized investigation to principal past cost outlines. Axie endlessness past value investigation. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Axie vastness generally is $8.69 and Axie is as of now position number 54 in the whole crypto market. The flow supply of Axie fundamentally is 115,605,573 with a market cap of $1,004,772,411 in most recent 24 hours, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Axie boundlessness cost really has shown an especially decent increment of 1.66% in the absolute most recent 24 hours. From absolute most recent 7 days, the Axie vastness by and large was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 9.35% in an unpretentious manner. Axie has shown extremely in every way that really matters. Solid, genuinely potential, and this could be decent and open door to generally dive right in and essentially contribute. Inside the for the most part most recent 30 days, the cost of Axie certainly has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, disposing of an incredible typical cost of $2.15 from its kind of current value, in spite of mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change is around 18.42%, and the cost for the most part coursed from a genuinely least typical worth of $6.95 to pretty greatest sort of normal worth of $7.14 in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, or so they thought. In most recent 4 months, Axie vastness really has shown a developing pattern, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In this way, we believe that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period in a very significant manner. As per without a doubt the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Axie boundlessness essentially is expanded from 4 months in an unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost. The coin especially is up by 20.13% with the in every practical sense. Most extreme normal cost of the coin was around $6.96 and the base typical value of was around $6.61 in beyond 4 months. We truly do are in every way that really matters, best to generally gather greatest verifiable information for the Axie coin which incorporate numerous variables like past value, market cap, volume and more in an unpretentious way. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into digital money market, try to generally peruse our expectations, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness value expectation for 2023 is per our gauge. In 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness explicitly is supposed to for the most part reach at an extremely least value level of $8.34, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Axie cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of $9.39 with the especially normal exchanging cost of $9.13. The Axie cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $15.31 with the extremely normal exchanging cost of $13 in an every way that really matters, enormous way. Axie limitlessness value figure 2025 to 2026. The cost of Axie endlessness for the most part is anticipated to in every way that really matters reach at the very least degree of $17.88 in 2025. The Axie boundlessness cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $21.85 with the typical cost of $18.53 all through 2025, which generally is genuinely huge. The cost of Axie vastness in a real sense is all things considered, anticipated to in every practical sense, reach at a sort of least degree of $27.61 in 2026. The Axie limitlessness cost can arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $31.79 with the truly normal cost of $28.54 all through 2026. Axie value expectation for 2027. Axie vastness cost most certainly is conjecture to arrive at a least degree of $40.85 in 2027 in a significant manner. According to our discoveries, the Axie cost could essentially arrive at a most extreme degree of $49.26 with the typical gauge cost of $42.28, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie value expectation for 2028 is per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Axie. In 2028, the cost of Axie vastness explicitly is gauged to be at around a base worth of $56.97 in a significant manner. The Axie limitlessness value worth can arrive at a limit of $69.72 with the very normal exchanging worth of $59.09 in USD, which is very huge. Axie endlessness value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Axie vastness truly is supposed to reach at a truly least degree of $80.43 in 2029. Or so they thought. The Axie cost can arrive at a truly greatest degree of 98.56 with the kind of typical cost of $83.39 all through 2029, which generally is genuinely critical. Axie endlessness value expectation. Estimate for 2030 according to the figure in fundamentally profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Axie limitlessness is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $112.38. The Axie cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $139.05 with the typical worth of $116.55. Axie vastness value expectation for 2031. The cost of Axie endlessness explicitly is supposed to especially reach at a really least worth of $160.27 in 2031. Amazingly, the Axie limitlessness cost could for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $198.08 with the typical exchanging cost of $166.09 all through 2031, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness value expectation for 2032. Axie limitlessness cost most certainly is figured to arrive at a particularly the least entirely conceivable degree of $232.35 in 2032, or so they in a real sense thought. According to our discoveries, the Axie cost could arrive at a genuinely conceivable degree of $276.46 with the sort of typical gauge cost of $239. What basically is the Axie limitlessness cost today? Today, the cost of Axie boundlessness by and large is 8.69 with the market cap of $1,004,772,411.000. What will be the Axie most elevated anticipated cost for 2023? The most noteworthy gauge cost for Axie is supposed to, in every practical sense, arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $9.39 toward the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner. What will sort of be the Axie limitlessness most elevated sort of anticipated cost for 2024? Especially the most noteworthy gauge cost for Axie basically is supposed to arrive at a greatest worth of $9.39 toward the finish of 2024. How genuinely high can Axie endlessness go? The genuinely normal cost of Axie could reach to $9.13 before the current year is over in an exceptionally significant manner. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it in every practical sense is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $42.28 mark. What amount will Axie boundlessness be genuinely worth in 2030? As far as cost esteem, Axie certainly has a remarkable essentially potential to reach new ATHs. It basically is estimated that Axie limitlessness will increment in esteem, which is very huge, as per by and large numerous specialists and business examiners. Axie can really stir things up around town. Most elevated conceivable cost of $276.46 till 2030 in an unobtrusive